popular food items in Garifuna households?
So I'm going to say vinegar, and also I'm going to say vinegar as well as lemon, because I say vinegar and lemon is because vinegar and lemon is what I use and what I know that elders, my aunties, my grandmother, the older women that I knew, always cleaned their food with either vinegar or lemon. So in all of the Garifuna households that I was in, when the women were cooking, they always had vinegar and or lemon. And they would usually double wash or double clean their food, first starting off with cleaning it off, either rinsing it off with vinegar and then followed by, cleaning it off with lemon. So that's what I'm accustomed to. So again, that's staple in the households that I've been in throughout my lifetime, and it's popular here in my household as well.
Yeah, and what a difference it makes when you actually clean the fish or any seafood with the lemon, because the smell practically goes away. So that's a very positive thing to share. All right, let's go to the next popular food item in Garifuna households.
I would say flour. Flour is one of the, again, staple. I don't think there's not a Garifuna household that you will enter that does not have flour, and I'm just saying, I'll say regular flour, for cooking and everything like that, of course, to make our coconut bread, to make our fried jack, our flour tortilla, and so forth. And then I also have to add masa flour. We have masa flour, of course, to make our masa, for our various things that we use masa for. So those are things that you'll pretty much find. And all with that, I'll say baking powder. Of course, you can't do any of your baking without baking powder. So again, other popular items that you'll find in the household.